When you're trying to conceive and aren't getting your periods, the first thing you do is to take a pregnancy test at home before heading to the doctor. But many times we doubt, are these pregnancy kits reliable? In many cases, we have heard or seen that the pregnancy tests which we do at home are not accurate. And to find out, we often look out for other alternatives, most preferably visiting a doctor or going for an ultrasound. But have you ever thought that why testing pregnancy at home with a pregnancy test can be false or not accurate? Now, firstly, let's talk about how the test can be false. Number 1. You have a growth that generates HCG such as ovarian tumor. Number 2. You're using HCG containing medicine such as infertility therapy. Number 3. After a delivery or loss, HCG still remains in your body. Number 4. The test kit is defective. And number 5. The test was performed too soon. Now let us tell you what all things you need to keep in mind while testing pregnancy at home with the help of a pregnancy kit. Number 1. Always take a sample from first morning pee. Number 2. Collect urine in a dry and clean container. Number 3. Keep your hands off the test window. Number 4. Pour urine over the strip using the dropper that is included with the test kit. Number 5. To view the effects, wait for 5 to 10 minutes as instructed in the booklet. Number 6. After 30 minutes, the test must not be reviewed. So here were some tips which you should be careful about while checking your pregnancy at home. Do share this video for whom these tips would be helpful. Until then, take care of your health, and for more such health related updates, stay tuned to The Health Site.